Get ready to dive into the Donkey Stomper and the Stampede Sessions. Welcome to this walkthrough of Tribute Vol 8. We'll be covering the Donkey Stomper and the Stampede Sessions. This guide is designed to help you build a high-quality linear amplifier. The Donkey Stomper is a key component of the Tribute Vol 8 package. It's designed to provide a high level of amplification and reliability. Let's take a closer look at the design and construction. The Stampede Sessions are a series of tutorials and guides. They cover everything from basic construction to advanced techniques. We'll be walking through each session and highlighting key points. Now that we've covered the basics, let's start building. We'll go through each step of the process, from preparation to completion. Pay close attention to the details, as they're crucial to a successful build. That's it for this walkthrough of Tribute Vol 8. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. With this knowledge, you'll be well on your way to building a high-quality linear amplifier. Get your copy of Tribute Vol 8 for just $9.99 at the link in the description.